Months of continuous structural work are now beginning to reveal how the new Camp Nou will ultimately take shape. Progress has accelerated across several key areas of the project, with the compression ring remaining the dominant element of the current construction phase. Steel installation continues at a steady pace, while multiple work fronts throughout the stadium are advancing simultaneously, providing a clearer picture of the engineering transformation taking place. Work on the decorative facade at the south corner continues to move forward. Lighting fixtures have now been installed along the upper sections of the ceramic slats, preparing the facade for nighttime illumination. While some areas still appear unfinished, this is only because many of the ceramic panels remain covered with protective plastic film. In addition, the support brackets for the decorative slats have now been installed across several structural cores, meaning everything is in place for the ceramic panels to be mounted once the remaining exterior finishing work is completed. Work on the compression ring at the north stand continues to advance in perfect symmetry with the south stand. Following the installation of the central support column, crews have erected another steel column along with its radial beam. One additional steel box segment has also been installed, while a temporary support tower remains in position for the next phase of assembly. The balanced progress on both sides confirms that the installation is moving systematically toward the tribune section, where the two sides of the compression ring will eventually connect. The second VIP ring has reached another important milestone, with nearly the entire outer perimeter now enclosed using black sandwich panels. Although these panels will eventually be concealed behind the decorative facade, they mark significant progress toward completing the stadium's exterior envelope. Several service cores have also been enclosed between the first and second terraces with gray sandwich panels, giving this section of the stadium a much more finished appearance. The compression ring continues to extend toward the grandstand sector, gradually moving beyond the best viewing angle from the current observation point. Although visibility from this terrace is becoming more limited, future progress in that section will be easier to document from street level once installation reaches the grandstand. The latest steel box segments now stretch significantly farther around both the south goal and north goal ends. Attention shifts to the second cantilever, where several prepared concrete block sections and vertically positioned reinforcing bars indicate that additional reinforced concrete walls may soon be constructed in this area. Construction equipment remains active along the structural beams, with elevated work platforms positioned for detailed operations. Workers appear to be inspecting and adjusting connection bolts along the steel framework, ensuring every structural connection meets the required tolerances before subsequent construction stages continue. The inspection progresses steadily across the cantilever while activity remains concentrated around the primary beam connections. Further along the lateral section of the second cantilever, large quantities of construction materials remain staged for upcoming installation phases. Multiple elevated work platforms are distributed across the work area, supporting crews carrying out operations along the structural frame. A lifting operation is underway within the first cantilever area. Although the exact component being transported cannot be clearly identified before it disappears from view. Directly opposite, another elevated platform is positioned beside the facade, where a vacuum lifting system is securing a newly installed sandwich panel. Several additional facade panels still remain to be installed on the left-hand section, while crews continue working around the completed portions of the enclosure. Nearby personnel remain active behind the structural brackets, carrying out work that is partially concealed by the steel framework. Installation of the remaining louver panels has resumed in the section where an opening was previously left to provide access around the hydraulic piston. Crews are now closing that gap by fitting the missing panels, while elevated platforms continue working in front of the support column. At the same time, alignment checks on the support brackets are nearing completion, although a few diagonal support frames are still folded and awaiting final installation before this section is fully finished. The lateral diamond structure continues to develop as recently placed concrete defines another section of the slab. Most of the surrounding concrete walls are now complete, with temporary formwork removed and the area prepared for deck panel installation, reinforcement, and future concrete placement. On the adjacent diamond, the first deck panels have already been positioned, making the overall geometry of both structures much more visible as work progresses. At the south corner, crews remain focused on securing the roof louvers by checking and tightening their fixing points. Nearby, activity continues around the mobility core, where elevated platforms are being used for steelwork while protective coating is applied to structural beams. Apart from these ongoing tasks, there are no major changes visible from this lower viewpoint. From the front of the lateral facade, another newly completed concrete section can be seen. The protective safety nets beneath the cantilever are also being moved forward as crews continue installing service pipework below the structure. Inside the stadium, work continues around the sandwich panels, while large quantities of pipes remain stored along the parking ramp, ready for the next installation phase. Work on the first cantilever is centered on final preparations for the remaining roof louvers. Technicians are inspecting and tightening anchor brackets from elevated platforms, while another crew checks structural alignment before additional components are installed. Previously completed louvers already cover much of this section, and the lifting equipment required for the remaining installation is standing by. Construction also continues inside the stadium, although most of those operations remain hidden from this external viewpoint. Near the corner adjoining the grandstand, finishing work continues across several structural elements. Crews are carrying out localized steelwork, protective coating, and surface finishing, while one complete line of louver support brackets is still awaiting installation before the remaining anchor assemblies can be completed. Activity inside the nearby mobility core is lighter than during previous visits, and with this section documented, the inspection continues toward the grandstand for the final stage of the site tour. From the grandstand terrace, work continues across several areas of the structure. Elevated work platforms are positioned along the steel frame as crews apply protective coatings to structural beams and carry out finishing work around vertical connections. Additional teams remain active on nearby beam joints, while construction materials for the compression ring, including steel components, temporary supports, and radial columns, are already staged in preparation for the next phase of installation once work reaches this side of the stadium. At the grandstand corner, crews have resumed reinstalling the louver support brackets that had been removed several weeks earlier. The brackets are now being fixed back into their original positions, while nearby work continues beneath the structure. Elsewhere, the mobility cores remain largely unchanged, and the compression ring continues advancing steadily toward the grandstand, where future installations will be clearly visible from ground level. The inspection concludes with an overall view of the grandstand, where construction continues simultaneously across multiple work fronts. Structural steel, roof systems, reinforcement, and finishing operations all continue progressing according to schedule, with the compression ring steadily approaching the next stage of assembly around the stadium.